Welcome to JH. Today we are looking at how to resolve the Steam Authentication failed error. This glitch can be quite annoying when you are ready to play, so let's explore some effective solutions. Start by launching the Task Manager on your PC. You can open it by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape simultaneously, or simply right-click your taskbar and choose Task Manager. Once the window appears, navigate to the Details tab to see every active process on your system. To give Steam a fresh start, we need to shut it down completely. Find steam.exe in the list, select it, and then click the End Task button located at the bottom right. This forces the application to close and acts as a reset. Now, try opening Steam again to check if the error is gone. If the issue continues, your next step involves the Steam library. Head over to your library and locate the specific game causing trouble. Right-click the title and pick Properties from the menu. Within the Properties window, go to the Installed Files section. Here, you will find the option to verify the integrity of game files. Selecting this will trigger Steam to scan for any corrupted or missing data and fix any problems it detects. This might take a few minutes depending on the game's size, but it ensures your files are in perfect condition. If you are still seeing the error after this, try a simple computer restart. Rebooting often clears out temporary files or network glitches that might be interfering with the authentication process. As a final resort, if nothing else has worked, you should consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the Steam client. This provides a completely clean version of the software, which often fixes persistent authentication bugs. Just remember to back up any game saves or data not stored in the cloud before you do this, as local files might be deleted during the process. That covers the main ways to fix the Steam authentication failed error. Hopefully, one of these methods got you back into your games. If this guide was useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tech tips and troubleshooting solutions.